Leslie here with this week's new releases. And by this week, I mean these new releases will be in the shop on Friday, February 18th. So I have two sticker pockets. This one's the mini size that Stephanie loves, and then this one is the regular size. She always talks about it. So this one is really cute. It has fleur-de-lis and then like these lavender stripes going across. And then I have those like little framed flowers. That was also pretty sure I put that one in clip storage last week. And then I trimmed this one in a big floral bloom right here to kind of go with the big florals on this one. And then the back is also that crisscross floral of like a light blue floral. And then it's got faint yellow polka dots and then purple flowers. So this one you would have also seen in the clip storage as well. So if you pick that up, then these will match. And then the regular size clip storage, I bordered that in a different floral. It's not the same one you guys can see there. I wanted something a little bit more transparent to like let that peach kind of come through. So there's that. And then it does have a little bit of ombre. It's like kind of green up here and then it goes to white. But that's the same pattern as that one. And then this has fleur-de-lis. And then it also has this like fake tea or coffee stain, which I thought was kind of cool. I like that texture, so I hope you guys do too. It's a whole like tea kind of theme papers. So there you go. Then we have the teapot and the teacup over here, along with some more of those flowers that you see in the front. So I felt like everything just kind of coordinated really well. And then this is more of that purple that you're seeing here. So these two do match too. They do match, so that's kind of fun too. I like when all my things match, don't you? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. And then you guys can order this on different colored tabs and different planner tabs. If you're new to my shop, I offer Happy Planner, Recollections, Plum Paper Planner, and Erin Condren tabs in multiple colors and thicknesses. So this is a white one, just to give you an example. So if you order the sticker pocket, I go ahead and put it on for you and then assemble the pocket together. If you order it without, I just assemble the pocket like together and then you can hole punch it, or maybe you're gonna glue it to something. I don't know, but there you go. So just in case you're new, just in case, I like to explain myself. All right, I do have another cute little bookmark that you can order laminated or unlaminated, also on a tab or not with a tab. It says "So Very Lucky," so I thought that would be cute for St. Patrick's Day coming up. I'm definitely going to not laminate mine, and I'm going to color it. So I said that with the last one too. I do still need to color that one, but it is in my book to color it. So there you go. Maybe you just keep it in your planner and then you can kind of color it as you like think about things. All right, so my next one is it's so cute. This gingham green and white bow. I just love it so much. It screams spring. Yeah, it's green, so maybe St. Patrick's Day too. But I just feel like the green and white and the gingham pattern itself is very spring to summer for me. So I really love this one a lot. It's going to look cute in a lot of spring spreads. And then to go with the green bow, or contrast it however you see it, I realized I hadn't done a green apple mini bow. So I have this same bow in a really dark green, but I've never done it in this green apple green. So I'm excited about that one. I think it'll look fun for my St. Patrick's Day spreads and other spring ones, because I just feel like green is one of those colors that like kind of goes with spring and kind of goes with winter and Christmas. And then like this particular like limey green apple green also tends to go with some Halloween spreads. So it's a very versatile green in my opinion. All right, and then you guys know I love to have a coffee clip. So I did one more St. Patrick's Day one because the last one was my lucky mug. So that'll be in last week's new releases when these go in. It's currently in this week's. So this one says top of the morning because it's a morning cup of coffee. And then I went ahead and did the green inside just because I wanted all the green. But you guys can do coffee or cream and sugar or tea or whatever it is that you pick for the inside of your coffee. And then I did a lime green paper clip here. So that's why I like the lime green inside. I thought that was kind of fun. So I always like to have a coffee cup clip for my coffee Monday. All right, and then going into spring with all these little blooms and flowers, I wanted to do the word bloom. So it's in green as it's kind of like growing, and then it's got that beautiful sky blue that we love to see in the spring. Sometimes we have rainy days though. I'll get to that in a minute. So I put mine on a regular green, like the regular size green or regular color green, on a mini clip for this one. But I really love that one as well. I'm ready for my spring spreads. I really am. All right, speaking of rain, so like I said, sometimes we have blue skies in the spring, sometimes we have cloudy skies. So I made these little rain boots. Aren't they adorable? I love rain boots. So they're black and white with white polka dots and yellow. So kind of a little like, I don't know, bee colors. but I really liked it. So it's 3 layers of glitter, and of course you got both boots here. I've done rain boots in the past, but none that look like these. And then I put mine on a mini blue clip as if they're jumping into a puddle. So, because that's always fun too. And then the back is yellow, so you guys can see that. You can get it on a regular or a mini. I just chose a mini for like a small puddle. I don't know. All right, another new release. So this one is fun too because Mardi Gras is March 1st. Yeah, March 1st. So I did this. Okay, so there's a couple of debates on whether you call this a jester's cap or I think I'm saying it right, capuchin cap as well. So I'm not sure what you guys want to call it, but there you go. So I put that at the top and then it says Mardi Gras and it's purple and then with green writing and then I put gold on the little like balls part of it. They have like little circles. So it has all of the kind of Mardi Gras colors there with the green, purple, and gold. And then I put mine on a gold clip, but you guys can choose your color and size as well. So there you go. All the purple. All the purple. All right. And then this week's freebie, because I went with Bloom, but didn't make a flower clip here, I decided to make a flower freebie. So this one was kind of cool. I like the black and pink here. It gives it a little pop without being too springy. And then I love the little detailed leaves on the side. And then I'm putting it on that exclusive mini green that I have because this green in particular, when we ordered it, didn't come in a regular size, so I don't offer this green in the shop. So it gets exclusive to freebies sometimes. So this one is going to be on a mini green, unless you specify that you'd like a regular size clip, which then it will be on silver, okay? So that's kind of how that goes. So you let me know. But that is all of this week's new releases, and just a reminder, they will go in the shop on Friday, February 18th, and you can use code THANKYOU15 for 15% off because we are always thankful for your orders. And I think that's it. I hope you guys have an awesome week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.